All of you. In previous class, you have already learned more about the health and diseases. So, health is according to WHO is a state of our physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or physical fitness. It is affected by genetic disorders, infections, and lifestyle. You have already learned. Then, disease. So, there are different types of diseases. Diseases are categorized into two types. First is also known as communicable, and second is known as non-communicable. So, organism which caused disease. This is known as pathogens. All parasites are pathogens as they cause harm to the host by living in or on them. They enter our body, multiply, and interfere with vital activity, causing morphological and functional damage. So, pathogens adapt to life within environment of the host. For example, pathogen living in the gut must survive at low pH and resist digestive juice. So now we discuss common infectious diseases in human. Communicable disease is caused by pathogens which includes bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans and helminthes. So first discuss bacterial disease. Various types of bacterial disease which is transmitted by medium or agent like air, water, food, soil, also sexual contact. So these are the categories of the bacterial disease. Airborne bacterial diseases are various diseases and various organisms, bacteria, which cause the various types of diseases. For pneumonia, diphtheria, pertussis, scarlet fever, meningitis, tuberculosis, etc., which is caused by the bacteria, and bacteria is present into the air. So this type of disease is known as the airborne diseases. Pneumonia is a airborne bacterial disease. It is caused by the agent or bacterium. This is known as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Those bacteria are known as causative agent of pneumonia. They infect respiratory tract, especially alveoli, which filled with a fluid, resulting in the decrease of respiratory efficiency of the lungs. It is spread by inhaling droplets or aerosol from infected persons and sharing glass and utensils with an infected persons. These are the mode of transmission and spreading the disease by infected persons. Now, symptoms. Which type of symptoms is seen in the patients which are suffering from the pneumonia? First symptoms see in the patient is fever, chills, cough, headache, her lips and finger nails turn into grey to bluish in colors. It is prevented by providing and treated with the antibiotics like tetracycline or other antibiotics to prevent from this disease. So now other diseases like diphtheria, pertussis, scarlet fever, meningitis and tuberculosis are also airborne bacterial disease. So diphtheria is a deadly toxin caused disease, toxic cause commonly disease in children which is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. It is transmitted by the following way. It is highly infectious and spread through droplets and direct contact of the persons. Its symptoms is characterized in the organism like affects the throat, suffocations, oozing of semi-solid materials in the throat, forming leathery pseudo-membranous structures. It is prevented and its susceptibility with the help of the Schick's test performed and also determined its susceptibility. So now discuss other types of disease is known as pertussis. It is also airborne disease in which and this disease is also known as the whooping cough and it is present in the childhood year of the human. Pertussis is also as whooping cough is one of the most dangerous and highly contagious disease of the childhood. Its causative agent is Bordetella pertussis. Immunizations by use of the DPT, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis. These types of symptoms appear in the persons like affecting upper respiratory tract, being with a mild fever and an irritating cough, rapid inhalation that is ooze. The next is scarlet fever. Scarlet fever is caused by gram-positive coccus type of bacteria. Coccus bacteria play important role to cause the scarlet fever in human beings. Streptococcus pyogenes is caused streptococcal pharyngitis, popularly known as strep throat. Symptoms of the patient suffer from sore throat, high fever, coughing, swollen lymph nodes, and tonsils. Scarlet fever is a strep throat accompanied by skin rashes called goose pimples. Dick test is performed to determine the presence of scarlet fever. Next disease is known as meningitis and then tuberculosis. Next airborne bacterial disease is meningitis. The term meningitis refers to several diseases of the meninges. Meninges is the part of our central nervous system. So caused by bacteria, virus, fungi or protozoans. One of the life-threatening meningitis forms of meningitis is meningococcal meningitis caused by Neisseria meningitidis. The causative agents of meningitis is Neisseria meningitidis. In meningitis, inflammation of meninges of CNS. CNS, our central nervous systems, the layer present in our central nervous system in our brain is known as meninge. So it becomes inflamed. Other bacteria like Haemophilus influenzae causes Haemophilus meningitis. The symptoms in organisms like a stiff neck, severe headache, drowsiness, and irritability. Mortality rate is very low due to the hemophilic meningitis. Next disease, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is also airborne disease. Now discuss the second type of disease is known as water and foodborne diseases, which is caused by bacteria like typhoid, food poisoning, bacterial dysentery, cholera, etc. So typhoid is a food and waterborne diseases which is caused by Salmonella typhi. It is spread by contaminated food and water. It enters the small intestine and then migrates to other organs through blood. Bacteria enters the small intestine and then migrates to other organs through blood. Its symptoms is high fever, constant high fever approximately 39 degree to 40 degree Celsius. Constant high fevers 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. Weakness, loss of appetite, appetitis, constipation, stomach pain, headache, and intestinal perforations, and lastly become death in the severe cases. So these diseases is a food poisoning diseases. Third type of disease is also soil-borne diseases of bacteria like anthrax, tetanus. Tetanus is known as lockjaw or trymus diseases. These are its other name of the tetanus. Next, disease is caused by bacteria is arthropod borne like plague. Next, foodborne and waterborne diseases like bacterial dysentery is caused by the E. coli. Bacterial dysentery is caused by E. coli. This is the causative agents, and Shigella species is also create the bacterial dysentery. Campylobacters and Salmonella also cause diarrheal diseases. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae, in which the watery diarrhea takes place and cholera is mainly waterborne diseases. Other mode of transmissions are contaminated food and drinks, direct contact of the persons. Preventive measures we take in the cholera: restorations of bodies waters treated with ORS. Treated with ORS. ORS means electrolytes. So always taken and prevent the cholera. Next, food poisoning. It is caused by Clostridium botulinum. Caused by Clostridium botulinum cause the food poisoning disease in human, and it is also known as botulism. Microorganisms release exotoxin substances, which is the neurotoxins, which also harms for the organisms. Symptoms we see in food poisoning patients like swollen tongue, double vision, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigues and respiratory failures. How to prevent this disease? We can avoid by heating foods before consumptions at the temperatures approximately 90 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So next is the swellborn anthrax tetanus. Tetanus you already known, its another name is lockjaw, in which first of all our jaw become locked. Next, arthropod borne disease like plague. It is caused by the animals like cat, dogs, rats, etc. These are also called the plague. Next disease, sexually transmitted bacterial diseases like syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, cancroid. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum. Neisseria gonorrhea called gonorrheal disease. Chlamydia is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis, and cancroid is caused Haemophilus ducretius. These are the different and various types of bacterial disease which is caused in human beings. So next disease we caused in human beings is viral diseases. Viral diseases in man can be grouped into 4 types based on the site of infections. First is pneumotropic affects respiratory system. Second is dermotropic involving mainly skins, skin. Third is viscotropic visceral affects blood and visceral systems, affects blood and visceral systems, and last is neurotropic, that affect the central nervous systems, affects central nervous system. So we discuss in next class. Thank you.